Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I have a tiny TEMU haul. Okay. I got notification that my TEMU package was here. So I went to my front door. It wasn't on the porch. Went to the back door. It wasn't on the porch. So then I'm trying to contact TEMU. And they told me to check the surroundings, check the grass, check everything. And then contact the person who shipped it. UPS. I'm not sure if it was Postal Service or UPS. But anyway, I checked the people who shipped it, and they said they put it in my mailbox. So it was in my mailbox. All right. First thing, we've got 3 things, y'all. They're all diamond paintings. I have a lot. Let me take it out so I can show it to you. I forgot what I got. They all come with the kit. Here's the beads. Here's the toolkit like they all send. Got me a tiger. This says it's a 30 by 40. Now, that's the size I usually work on, but I've been working on my other one. This looks so tiny. So I got me a majestic tiger. And it has 25 colors. Okay, I'm gonna check the stickiness of it. Okay, that's good. It's not so wrinkled. It was crammed in that bag, so it's not too bad. That's what it looks like. And let me see if the item number is on the beads. Yes, the item number is on the beads. Okay. Got a tiger. The next one. What is this? Okay. This packet is a little different. And the item number is on this paper. Well, anyway, here's what the picture looks like. It's an aquarium, underwater sink. I'm looking forward to doing this. Nice and colorful, got different kinds of fish. It's also a 30 by 40 centimeter size. It's wrinkled, but it's workable. I'm looking at these beads. Let me check the stickiness of this. So it's come from a different company than the other one. Oh, that's good. Okay. Let me open this. What's the thing? Right there. Well, these beads all separated. Wow. And it's no item number. I put them back in that bag they came in. There's the tool kit. Okay. I expected brighter colors. The orange is bright. And that's about the brightest color in here. They got a funny color yellow. Alright. So these have to stay in here. Picture. Put that back in here so I know what beads to use this with. Okay. I have one more. I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, I wanted something with fireworks. So this is, what is that? I forgot what you call that building. Well, y'all see that tall right there? What you call that? It ain't the Leaning Tower of Pisa. That's the way it looks. Let me check the stickiness of the... Okay, it's good. It's crammed in my mailbox, y'all. But the wrinkle's not too bad. Okay, I can work with that. Here are the color drills or beads. Oh, and it's just like the other one. I don't see the item number of the painting on each packet of beads. I prefer the item number of the painting to be on the packs of beads. Okay, these are all separated too. Well, it has bright colors in here though. Okay. It does have bright colors. So I'm looking forward to doing that one. Dropping all over the place. They come with the toolkit. Okay, so that's the extent of my TEMU haul, unbagging. I'm not sure which one of these I got for $1. I leave stuff in my shopping cart, my TEMU shopping cart. And you know how TEMU will bug you to death. So I wait till they drop something drastically in price and then I'll check out. So I got stuff in my cart now, knowing they're gonna lower the price on something. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And I'm just gonna hold this up. Okay, y'all be blessed. Stay cool. Bye.